how to fix X Twitter app not loading images, pictures and videos. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can fix X Twitter app not loading images, pictures and videos. So let's get started. First, make sure your internet connection is working properly. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data or vice versa. A weak or unstable connection is often the reason why media doesn't load correctly. Next, we start the X app. Close it completely from your recent apps, then reopen it. Sometimes a quick refresh is all it takes to solve the problem. Now, let's go a bit deeper. If you're using Android, open up your phone's settings, scroll down and tap on Apps or App Management. Then tap on Manage Apps or See All Apps depending on your device. From the list, find and tap on X or Twitter. Once inside the app info, tap on Storage and then tap Clear Cache. If that doesn't help, you can also tap Clear Data, but keep in mind this will log you out of the app, so make sure you know your login details. If you're on an iPhone, open your settings, then tap on General, scroll down and tap on iPhone Storage. Find X in the list of apps, tap on it, then tap on Offload App. This will remove temporary files without deleting the app or logging you out. After that, reinstall the app to refresh everything. It's also important to make sure your X app is updated to the latest version. Go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, search for X, and see if there's an update available. Outdated apps often cause loading issues. Still not working? It could be a temporary server issue. Just open your Chrome or Safari browser and go to www.downdetector.com, search for X. And if there are a lot of recent reports, it means the problem is likely on their end, not yours. In that case, you'll just need to wait it out. That's it and thanks. I will catch you all in the next video.